Hi guys, are you a competitive athlete? Do you play sports and want to have the competitive advantage over the rest? Well, if so, subscribe to this channel, Peak Performance 360. Hi, I'm Matt Beeston. I'm an NLP trainer and performance coach. I help grassroots and professional athletes get better results faster in their sport. I've worked with many athletes, from professional tennis players, international rugby players and footballers from the Premier League. In this video you will learn how to model excellence and become more like your sporting heroes on the field. Okay, let's get started. Most people use some form of modelling to learn a new skill. Children learn to walk by copying their parents and the people around them. Now, children have an unconscious awareness of what to do, to actually stand up and walk. When you think about it, walking is not taught to a child or explained to them, they just do it. Let's tap into this unconscious process to model your sporting idol or someone you want to emulate. In NLP, there is a structure to this actual form, and it's called visualization. First of all, choose a good role model. Choose someone in your sport that is an elite performer. It could be one of your heroes or someone you'd like to emulate. Next, find a clip on YouTube or TV of your sporting hero. The clip should be around a minute long and consist of elements of your sport that you would like to model. In this clip, they must be displaying excellence and success in whatever they are doing. So if it's a football player, they are scoring. If it's a tennis player, they are winning that rally. A basketball player, they are successfully shooting hoops. Run this clip through 6 times, watching it very carefully. Notice the physiology of the player or the person that you're emulating. Notice the body position, notice how they use their body in certain ways, perhaps their head stance, what are they looking at, what are they focusing on, and really absorb and take in what they're doing. So run that through 6 times, just look at it 6 times, really taking that in. Then what you need to do is you need to close your eyes, and you're going to close your eyes and you're going to actually imagine a screen in front of you in your mind's eye, and on that screen you're going to run that clip again. So from remembering what you've seen, run through the clip in your imagination, in your mind's eye. So you're going to run that through 3 times. Okay, once you've done it 3 times, the next time, the 4th time, what I'd like you to do is jump into that hero, that player, that tennis player, whether it's Messi or whether it's Federer, whoever it is that you're emulating, you sort of jump into their shoes and then experience that in your mind's eye. So you sort of jump into the screen. Then what you do is you run through that whole clip again, okay, as fast as you want. You can do it in slow motion, or you can speed it up slightly, or you can just have it at normal time. The beauty of using your imagination is that you can actually, use a time scale on it. Okay, so you can adjust the timings. So you're going to run through that, and what you'll notice in your imagination is that you'll be seeing your own hands as you're hitting perhaps the ball, or your foot as you're about to address the football if you're doing football. So you actually be seeing out of your own eyes and hearing the sounds and experiencing everything with it. And do use all the senses when you do this. So visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and you can even think of any smells that perhaps would come to the fore in that in your imagination, in that environment. Okay, so you're going to run through that another 3 times, associated as you are in the person. Okay, and then what you're going to do, you're going to jump out of the frame after that, jump out of the little TV or screen, and then you're going to just create a snapshot of it. Okay, so it will be just a screenshot, for instance, and then that screenshot you're going to take as a little postcard, an imaginary postcard, and put it in your pocket. Okay, and absorb all those learnings. Okay, we're just going to use our imagination, have a bit of fun with it, but then it's something that you can then use your imagination, bring out again, imagine the card, what it looks like. Okay, yeah, and that will actually bring all that to your attention, and it will help you embed all those learnings. Now, you could do this several times. Maybe you do it once a day for a week and see how it goes, and then see how you perform at the weekend. Okay, that's it for this one. If you want to gain access to the full potential of your mind and body and get amazing results in your sport, then why not complete our online sports psychology program? It has over 30 videos of content to help you train your mind and become a more consistent and successful athlete or player. Click the link in the description to take you to this unique program. Also, you can check out our other videos on NLP and sports psychology on this channel, Peak Performance 360. Bye for now. You'll see me in the next.